So today we're at Nene Park Trust in Peterborough, which is a country park charity. We've come here to complete, sign off and commission the installation of 13 chargers, all double socket Alphans, which has given them 26 sockets, all integrated with the Monta back office payment software to enable the client to be able to charge the people who visit the country park for use of the EV chargers.
Here at Nene Park Trust, we've got a lot of objectives around our environmental improvements that we're hoping to make, both as an organisation, but also for our visitors. Many of our visitors come by electric car, increasing amounts of them, and we haven't had a huge amount of charging infrastructure until now. So this is a massive increase to our charging infrastructure and will help people come here and be confident that they can get the charge they need when they arrive.
Project of this size and scale, there's been lots of parties involved. We were brought in for our expertise in EV and payment software.
And then working with SaveMoneyCutCarbon, we identified the right sort of charger for the job and also the most efficient way of getting 26 sockets, but actually from 13 charger posts through the Alphan choice, which seems great for us and was a really good solution.
Client's very happy, overwhelmed with, I think, the quality of the chargers. Very well made, very nice looking, and obviously very fit for purpose in the scenario and the environment they're in now.
We're really interested to see how our current EV chargers perform and how they work and people get used to them, and I think we'd really like to have quite a lot more, and I think there'll be demand for more, and we've put in some of the underground infrastructure to enable us to expand our EV charging going forward. We've put in quite a lot of solar recently, and we're looking at how we can do more with that, maybe look at how we can use battery storage more effectively, and of course some of the things around water efficiency and lighting and things. So there's a whole range of projects across our estate that we're really keen to look to improve upon.
The other advantage of this as a charging solution is it's universal for every vehicle. So whether you're in a Type 1 Mitsubishi or Nissan, or you're in a Tesla with a Type 2 charger, you'll still be able to come and utilise these chargers.
To work directly with a supplier like SaveMoneyCutCarbon has meant that we've been confident in the solution that we're providing, and that means we know what our visitors are going to get in terms of ease of use, the back office system, all that sorts of stuff. Getting that expertise from you guys has been brilliant. To get something on scale that we're confident is going to work, that was the right place to come.
Today we've proudly uncovered them, and they're now in the wild and ready for use. So if you're in Peterborough and you need to have a charge, you know where to come now.